Hi, I'm Norma, the executive chef here at Brooks Winery, and today we're going to be going over the perfect pairing for September. It is a pan-seared duck breast with fried eggplant and a cherry demi-sauce, and it's paired with our 2018 red letter. You're just going to want to get 2 duck breasts, and the only thing that we need to do here is we just want to score the meat so that the fat will render. And I like to just cross score it. Now, to finish this off, we're just going to very diligently salt and pepper both sides. I just have a very hot pan, no oil, nothing is needed. And you just want to take the duck breast and you want to put them fat side down on medium heat. And these are just going to render for about 5 to 10 minutes. Next, for the eggplant, we are going to set up a breading station. And for that, we are going to need to do a little bit of an egg wash. So now we have our egg wash. We also have some flour, and then we have some panko, which is dried breadcrumb. Just remove that. Just very tip. And for this, I like to do spears almost. Season the eggplant really well. We're going to put them in the flour. Then to the egg wash. All right. Now we're gonna go fry these up. This is what you're looking for on the duck. And we're just gonna cook it skin side down, don't flip it over, 5 minutes in a 450-degree oven. The oil should be at 350, and this is canola fry oil. So you just wanna be very careful. Going to be about 2 to 3 minutes, and halfway through we're just going to flip them over. Nice and golden. Just going to let them rest. So in the same pan that we cooked the duck breast, we're just going to add some of our cherry sauce, which has infused cardamom, cinnamon, and allspice, and of course the red letter that we're pairing this dish with. Bring this to a boil, and then add about a tablespoon of butter. So the last thing is going to be making a little bit of herb salad on top. Here I have a little bit of thinly shaved fennel, fresh parsley from our garden. This is salad burnet, and this has a little bit of a cucumber taste. Just add those right in. And then lastly, just a little bit of dill. And to this, we're just going to add a little bit of olive oil and a little touch of Oregon sea salt. So I'm just going to take the duck, cut it open like that, take the sauce, take a piece of eggplant. I'm gonna take a piece of the duck here, this herb salad. Tough job. My goodness. This, yeah, it pairs so good together. Mic drop. Come visit us, try this, and all of the extra special stuff that I put on the menu this month. Cheers. Yeah. And goodbye. Oh God. I did slip on my neck too. I don't know if I can redo that. Oh.